You don't want to be that business that sends a screenshot and say, this is our testimonial for a client. You want to be a business that says, I am professional, I am trustworthy, and you know what? I have a designer. I want to show you 3 ways where you can create a design card for your testimonials using Canva. And it looks professional and it shows that you have a designer on your team. Let's start with creating this design. You're going to go to your social media and you're going to go to Instagram, the 4x5 post, and you open one up. The 3 ways that I want to quickly show you so that you elevate your testimonials is you will start by creating a bubble. So you're going to go to your elements and then you're going to search for a speech bubble on your shapes. So we select shapes, and then on our shapes, we go and we select our chats. So you scroll to speech bubbles, and then you find the rounded speech bubble. It's actually called round speech bubble. Click on it once so that you add it to the design, and drag it to add it to the design, and then make it big so that it goes all the way down, but leave a little bit of space where you're going to add some pizzazz. So once that's created, you're then going to head over to your uploads and find the testimonial. Be authentic and show real testimonials. Just add it to the speech bubble like that, and then go to corner rounding and make it rounded like that. Select your color and then go and pick the color of WhatsApp so that it's one and it looks very beautiful and authentic. Select the background and choose a dark background so that it contrasts the WhatsApp. And if you're going to be posting on TikTok, black is a good idea because TikTok is usually black behind it. And the last things that you're going to do is to just add testimonials on there and then add your stars. That's a quick, easy thing to do. You just go search for stars and you add them at the bottom of your screen like that to show that this is a rating. And then the other thing that you could do is to go search for testimonials and then add that as like a speech. Make sure that the speech is on top of the layer for testimonial so we can bring it to front, and then just color the background to WhatsApp. So we're going to go grab a green color, and then we still want our layer of the WhatsApp to be on top. So you can just quickly adjust that and then make the color of the testimonial WhatsApp green and the text itself make it white. And then just to finish off your design, you can just add a small little WhatsApp on there, and then your card is beautiful and then it's not ordinary. This is one way to do it. The other way is to use a mockup. So you head over to mockups and you type your frame mockup, this frame. You just add it to your design and you layer your testimonial on there, and then you would add your testimonials as you see on the screen, and you would also layer your stars as well. The last one would be if you go and look for a template. So there are a lot of these templates. Click on templates and search for testimonial templates. There are a lot of them. Even on the landing page of Canva, you can go find a beautiful testimonial, click and add the testimonial to your canvas, and then adjust this to your color palettes and your brand colors. This will completely change a boring testimonial to a brand professional business testimonial that people are going to love. If you love videos like this, please share this video to help this channel grow and continue creating videos like this. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you with our next video.